How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another FreeCAD tutorial. In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how we can duplicate a body in FreeCAD. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is to create a body itself. Now I'm going to select a sketch, and then we are going to make this simple rectangle right here. Now I'll click on close, select path, and then it will create my simple shape or simple object. Now, basically inside our sketch right here or our object, you just want to make sure that you are inside the model category, which is going to be this one. And then basically you will be able to see all of your body right here. You want to right click on the body that you want to duplicate. This will open up the additional options, enabling us to select different options right here. But you just want to head over to the copy option, which is going to be this one. If you want to make things faster, of course, you can use the keyboard shortcuts like Control-C. Click on OK. And then if you want to paste it or duplicate it, you can just press the Control-V on your keyboard, which will basically place the body once again. So this is going to be the duplicated body. It's going to be body 001 since they can't exactly have the same name. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guide to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.